Hello everyone! Welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to your reading. Hope you guys having a fabulous day wherever you are in the world. Thank you for supporting to my channel and thanks as well for joining me here, especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. You are all highly appreciated. If you are new here, welcome. Cross watchers are also welcome. This reading is not your personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Let's remember to take what resonates and leave what doesn't. The energy of this reading could be reversal. For some of you, it could not be your story and it could not be your energy. So please use your own discernment. I do believe that we are all intuitive in our own ways, and aside from that, I also believe that we are all individually responsible for our own choices and our own destiny, right? Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio, give me that accurate and clear reading, please. The past, the present, the future, and the outcome of this reading. What the Scorpio needs to know about everything: love, money, career, business, and studies. Show me the cards what I need to see, please. The past, the present, the future, and the outcome of this reading. So, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me see your card readings for today, guys. I hope you're doing well wherever you are in the world with your family and loved ones. You know, guys, I love what I am doing. This is one of my passion. And I am not tired. I have other work, but I love as well what I am doing. Let me see. Your first card is the Ace of Swords. This is an air sign energy. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. You could be dealing or attracting an air sign for some of you. Of course, not all of you. Could also be any other sign. Somebody here wants to communicate with you. This person wants to tell you the truth. Could be a past person, could also be your ex or a new person. It could also that this person wants to invest with you, to offer you a new ideas, could also be a new project or a new perspective. It could also be that this is related to signing of contract. A new signing of contract, be very careful, especially related to signing of contract. Please read carefully before you are going to sign. It's just like you have to read the general, this is like in Germany, allgemeine Bedingungen, the general information. Sorry guys, about the signing of contract. Could also be that this is related to an insurance. I don't know. Could also be that this is related to a policy or related to home. Maybe you are going to buy a home, and this could be also a signing of documents. Could also be, I don't know, any other contract. Be very careful, be very strategic, and always read carefully before you sign a contract. I don't know this, or an agreement. I don't know what this is all about. If you have problem in the court, I feel like you are going to receive a decision from the court, and this is the truth. It could also that this is in your favor, especially if you are on the right path. This is the truth. Others of you, this is your breakthrough, your break free, your aha moment. Congratulations. This person wants to communicate with you, but also that this person wants to offer you a new ideas. This offer will lead you to a platonic and a romantic relationship. It could also that this person wants to win over you because this is victory. Could be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Not necessary. I don't feel that this is your ex because this is a new person, the Ace of Swords. Or there are lots of people who wants to communicate with you because they wants to offer you a new ideas. Could also be work. Let me see your challenge here is the Two of Cups. This is a water sign energy. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. You could be dealing or attracting a water sign or an air sign. Not necessary. Could also be any other sign. And this is your challenge. Could also that this person viewed you as their soulmate. This person wants to see you face to face, eye to eye. It could also that this person viewed you as their divine counterpart. Could also that you are dealing with a couple, or this could be related to a relationship, a partnership. I don't know what this is all about. For some of you guys, I feel like this meeting will lead you to a platonic and a romantic relationship. This person viewed you as, their soulmate. A soulmate is not necessarily a lover. Could also be a friend or a family. Could also be a couple who wants to communicate with you. I don't know. Or he wants to tell you the truth. Or this person viewed you that you are their soulmate. And that both of you having the same chemistry. And both of you could be divinely guided in this journey. Because this is a reunion, could be, of your soulmate. And this is your challenge. It could also that this meeting will happen during Cancer season or Scorpio season. Could also be during, Monday. I don't know what this is all about. You could be dealing or attracting a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, or an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Could also that this is your divine counterpart. This is your challenge because he wants to communicate with you. He wants to tell you about their feelings. Let me see the past situation. Your spiritual lesson here is the judgment. Somebody here is awakened of who you are. Somebody here could also be realizing of who you are. It could also that these are the past people. It could also be your ex is involved here. We have seen the truth. It could also this is a revelation. This is an awakening call. Could also that this is your energy. You are awakened. You are awakened that this person is your soulmate. I don't know what this is all about. This is the energy of Sagittarius and Scorpio. You could be dealing or attracting a Sagittarius, a Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces, or an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Others of you guys, you have learned your lesson. It could also that there is a revelation, an exposure of all the things hidden in the dark related to this person. I don't know what this is all about. Others of you, it could also that somebody who wants to apologize because they are awakened of who you are. This could be the past people. In your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your partner, your ex, or in the community. The people who mess you up. The people who misjudge you. The people who created injustice on you. But the problem is, you are not the same person before. You already evolved into a higher frequency. This is related to your internal and spiritual transformation. You couldn't go back to this person or group of people because for some of these people, guys, they are awakened. But they are still low vibes. You know why? Because they will not accept the consequences of their action. It's just like knowing the truth, seeing the truth, but still believing the lies. These are stupid. I'm sorry. And if there is a problem related to the court, rest assured that there could be a review here, and this is in your favor, especially if you're on the right path, because a fellow Scorpio is involved here as well, a Sagittarius, a water sign, and an air sign. You could be an earth angel, a spiritual warrior, a chosen one. Of course, not all of you. It could also that this is your mission, that you are going to meet this person or group of people because you are the one who is going to awaken them. Others of you guys, it could also be that there are people in the past who are now ashamed of what they have done on you. Because there is an awakening here, a revelation. But you don't care, you have learned your lesson. There is no turning back here. This is over. I don't know what they have done on you. Let me see. The past situation is the Hangman. This is a Pisces energy. You could be dealing or attracting a Pisces as well. Remember, your challenger is a water sign. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, and an air sign. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, a Sagittarius, and a fellow Scorpio. Pisces is double confirmation. Somebody here is sacrificing in silence. Either you or the person you are dealing with. I don't think that this is your energy because there is an awakening call here. You are already awakened. This person, a group of people who wants you to sacrifice in silence because of jealousy and envy, are now the one who is sacrificing in silence. Because for some of you guys, you are innocent. And how dare them that send this negative energy to you. For some of you, this is related to your workplace. Could also be related to your relationship at home. Could also be in your surroundings. For instance, your neighbors. For instance, your friends, your partner, your ex, or in the community. I don't know. It could also be that this person or group of people in the past wants to see you sacrifice. They wants to isolate you. Or they viewed you that you are doing a self-sabotage. But the truth is not. They are awakened. I don't think that this is your energy. They are sacrificing in silence because you will not go back to them. You will not give them a chance to reconcile. Maybe forgiveness. The universe advises you to forgive them, not because they deserve forgiveness, but because of your inner peace and that you don't block your blessings. Because they wants to return for some of them. I never see all of them. Could also be that this person now is feeling victimized, or this could also be a new person. There are sufferings in the relationship, in the workplace, and it could also be that this person wants to get out from these sufferings because they are awakened of who you are. I don't know what they have done on you. A Pisces is involved here. Could also be in your workplace. Let me see. The present card is the Strength. A Leo is involved here. You could be dealing or attracting a Leo, a Pisces, a Sagittarius, fellow Scorpio, a water sign, and an air sign. I told you, you tame the beast of this person or group of people. It could also that these are the collaboration because they viewed you as a weak person in the past. Because of your generosity, your kindness, and your compassion towards them, now you tame the beast. And in fact, they couldn't match your strength. Because you take back your power, you are no longer engaging your energy to them. You are awakened. And they are gathering their strength because they want to communicate with you. Your first card is the Swords, communication. However you are, good luck. A Leo is involved here. Could also be a new person that they wants to communicate with you. They are admiring your strength and your passion. Others of you guys, this is your energy. You take back your power after all what you have done on you. You showed this person or group of people that you are the control of your own life, not them. Because they misjudge you. You look, the awakening. Now it's over. But I don't think that you are going to reconcile with them because there's no turning back here. Maybe they push you through the limits, and that's why I fully understand. And aside from that, you have victory. You don't need this person or group of people in your life, right? Let me see the future is the Death. I told you. The Death, the Judgment, this is your energy. You could be having a 3 major things will happen in your life. No, 4. The Death, the Judgment, the Hangman, and the Strength. 4 major things will happen in your life. This is your powerful new beginning. Or it could also be somebody here is scared to transform. I don't know, because this is the future. It could also that this person wants to be a part of your new beginning, but they are still gathering their strength because they are feeling trapped in a toxic relationship. But somebody is awakened of who you are. They viewed you that you are their soulmate. That's why somebody who wants to communicate. There could be a communication here. For some of you guys, it could also that you are dealing with a fellow Scorpio. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 13, 11, 11, 31. This could also be your birthday or the birthday of the person you are dealing with. This could also be a twin flame journey. Remember, the soulmate and the twin flame. 1111 is harmony, twin flame journey. Could also this person is now transforming or is going to transform to be the part of your new beginning. It could also be that both of you having the same experience. If this is the past people, you are no longer engaging your energy to them, you give them an ending. This is over. A fellow Scorpio, a Leo, a Pisces, a Sagittarius, an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. It could also be a collaboration. And this is over. For some of these people, guys, they are planning to send you a death wish. This is in the form of black magic. Be very mindful. Because this is the future. If this is a new person, they wants to be the part of your new beginning. If this is your ex, I feel like they couldn't let you go. And that's why they are sacrificing in silence. Because this is over for you, not for them. It could also that there are people in the past who are mourning of losing you. They doesn't want you to change. This is your powerful new beginning, your transformation and rebirth. You are the phoenix rising from the ashes. If you are not transforming, the universe advises you to transform, to embrace the change. The more you resist, the more your life gets harder. Take only what fits in your story. For some of you guys, there could be a major upheaval here, an ending, a loss, or separation. I don't know whoever this person that you are dealing with. But this is there is an ending here and a new beginning. Let me see. Your attitude here is the Four of Wands. This is a fire sign energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. You could be dealing or attracting a fire sign. Not necessary, could also be any other sign. For some of you, this is your assured success. Congratulations. There could be a party will happen here. It could also be that you are going to meet a person in the party, and this person could be wants to give you a home. Or if you are single and negotiable, ready to mingle, this person wants to marry you. If these are in your family, they wants to harmonize the relationship between you and them. Could also be that he wants to be the part of your assured success. Congratulations. See, look, the Four of Wands is assured success, and the Ace of Swords, which is your first card, is also an assured success. Congratulations. And for some of you guys, it could also that this person viewed you as their twin flame, because 11, Four of Wands. It could also that this person wants to give you a home. They wants to have a family with you. Could be a fire sign or a Scorpio, because these are the cards come out here before the Four of Wands. There could also be a celebration here, and somebody will invite you to a party. It could also be that you are going to meet this person in the party. The universe advises you to celebrate the milestone of your success. The more you will be thankful and grateful, the more you will be blessed. Let me see your hopes and fears. Sorry, the outside influence is the sun. This is a Leo energy. You could be dealing or attracting a Leo, or you have a Leo in your birth chart. For some of you, if this is a new person, they viewed you that you are a healer, you are their sunshine. They want to have a family with you. They want to have a child with you. They want you to be happy with them. If this is a new person, if these are the past people, whatever they have done on you, everything is now illuminated. An illumination of all the things hidden in the dark, because truth always comes to light, involves a child. Could be a Leo. Could also be that this person couldn't stand your light because your light is shining bright. They tried to dim your lights in the past because they tried to swap your destiny. But no one can swap the destiny of somebody else. This is only an illusion, and now the illusion is over because there is an illumination here. Could also be that you are dealing with a person who's in the public eye, or you are in the public eye, or they are triggered with your spotlight, your lights, and that's why it happens. Now they wants to heal the trauma. They wants to heal the old wounds between you and them. But you are not the same person before. This is over. Hello, whoever you are, this is over. A Leo is involved here. I told you. Because they tried everything to dim your lights. But this is your destiny. This is your birthright. You are predestined to shine. Because for most of you, you could be a healer. You choose to heal and to be happy. And aside from that, you are free of guilt because you accept your flaws. And that's why this person, a group of people, couldn't believe that you heal what they have done on you. And they are awakened of who you are, that you are a healer or an earth angel, a spiritual warrior, because there could be an exposure here. All the trickery, lies, and manipulation they have done on you. Whoever you are, shame on you. The universe advises you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, to continue your healing journey. And it's up to you if you're going to reconcile with this person or group of people. I don't think so, because the judgment is here. There's no turning back. Let me see. Your hopes and fears is the 10 of Wands. I told you, this is over. You drop the burdens. Now they are the one who is carrying the burdens and they wants to drop their burdens on you. A Leo is involved here, a Sagittarius, a fire sign, um, an air sign, a water sign. Oh my gosh, there are lots of energy here. And I feel like for some of these people, guys, in the past, they are only using and abusing you. They let you carry the burdens a minimum of 10 years, 10 months, or 10 weeks. Now you drop. This is over, the closure, because you are awakened. You are not, you are not the same person before, and there is no turning back here because they push you through the limits. Can you imagine 10 of wands? You have gone through a lot of pain, plus the misjudgment, plus the, plus what they have done on you. This is, injustice. They are awakened, but it's too late. The judgment. Take only what fits in your story. For some of you, it could also, this is related in your workplace, and your co-workers are laughing in front of you, and involves your boss. Now that you drop the burdens, you are no longer engaging them. This is over. They are the one who is carrying this heavy weight on their shoulders, because everything they have done on you now exposed. Shame on you, whoever you are. And the outcome is the 3 of Swords. I told you, they broke your heart. They engaged you to a third-party situation because of the hurtful words. Could also be that there is somebody is disappointed. They are disappointed because you are no longer carrying the heavy weight on your shoulders, and you healed that pain that they caused on you. Now they are disappointed. They are heartbroken that their plan, it didn't work the way they are wishing on you. That they want you to sacrifice. You look. Because of jealousy and envy reigns in their ugly poor hearts. Now, they are disappointed because you heal, you have success, you are happy, you have victory after victory, the Ace of Swords, the 4 of Wands, and you give them a permanent ending, the death. You take back your power, double confirmation, you tame the beast. Now you drop the burdens. You have seen the truth of who they are and their intentions towards on you. They want to reconcile, but this is over. They push you through the limits. Oh my gosh. If this is a new person, this person is disappointed. It could also that they are carrying the heavy weight on their shoulder, but they want you to be happy with them. If these are the past people, be very mindful because they only want to cause you pain. This is the outcome. Because they couldn't accept that you win. You won. This is your first card. Is the Ace of Swords. This is victory, and ended up with the 3 of Swords. That means they are in pain that you win because their plan to make you sacrifice, it didn't work. You know why? Because you are predestined to shine. You are an earth angel. Oh my gosh. And they forgot that you're the death in the tower. The black magic, the cast spells, that's all they can do. But the more they did this to you, the more they makes their lives miserable. That's why whoever you are, stop doing this. Because this is over. You look, they are in pain that you have victory. They are disappointed because their plan, it didn't work. It didn't work, of course, because you are an earth angel. I never see all of you if you're on the right path. This is your readings. You look, you are a healer. And that's the great mistakes of your enemies. Because they doesn't know who the fuck sorry guys, they doesn't know who's the person they mess with. I told you. I'm sorry, I don't want to talk with negative energy here. Now it's over. You won, and they are disappointed. They are heartbroken. Oh my gosh. Why the Hangman in this reading? Since they failed to sacrifice you in silence. Now they are sacrificing in silence and they are heartbroken. Why the hangman here? This is clarified as anchor. For some of these people, they are losing their security, their stability, their solid foundations while you have, and they are sacrificing in silence. Pisces is involved here, whoever you are, you must face the consequences of your action. Why the death in this reading? Please tell me more about the death. It is clarified as child. This person wants you to be, to trust them, or to, to be like a child. To be innocent, to be vulnerable to them. This person could be a Scorpio, and they are hoping that you are going to trust them as well, that you are going to open your heart. If this is a new person, if this is your ex, they want you to be vulnerable to them, but this is over. If this is a new person, they want to be the part of your new beginning, and that's why they are wishing that you are going to be vulnerable to them. This is an innocence, or they want to have a child with you, because they want to be the part of your new beginning. Or they have a problem related to a child, and they believe that you can understand them. Could be a fellow Scorpio. Clarify me, Father. Why the Three of Swords here, please? It is clarified as number 30. You see, you have harmony. You matured emotionally, physically, mentally, and spiritually. That's why they are disappointed, heartbroken. They are upset that you have victory and that you have harmony. And there is growth in your life. Whoever you are, shame on you. An air sign is involved here. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. A Sagittarius, a Leo, and Aries. Oh my gosh, could also be a group of 10 people. There could be a collaboration here. Whoever you are, shame on you. Clarify me, Father. Go and heal yourself. Why the Judgment here? Please tell me more about the Judgment that is reading. It is clarified as the House. There could be a significant meaning for you here with the House, or somebody is going to lose their home. I don't know. Somebody who wants to give you a home, or this person is living in your home, or this person could also be your neighbor. You are living with the same building, and they are now awakened. I don't know what they have done on you. They wants to apologize, but this is over. Could also be any other people in your surroundings, your family, your workplace, and your friend circle, your partner, your ex, or in the community. But this is over. This is over. Why the Strength that is reading? Oh my gosh, it is clarified as the Heart. Somebody wants to give you a gift. This is a Leo. Be very mindful, because this gift is involved with a black magic. You look, because this is the future. They want to give you a gift, but if you are going to receive this gift, then you will trap in a black magic. Don't receive any gift from this person. Could be a Leo, or you have a Leo in your birth chart. They will, in your birth chart, they will give this to you. They will do this to you because they are disappointed. They are heartbroken that their plan didn't work. That you are not sacrificing in silence. That you heal the pain that they cause on you, that you drop the burdens that they are the one who is carrying now, that you have victory. Oh my gosh, so jealous as ASF. Clarify me, Father. Why the Ace of Swords in this reading? It is clarified as, I told you, the coffin. This is, abracadabra. They wants to communicate with you. Could also be that they wants to be the part of your new beginning. An air sign is involved here. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. If this is the past people, they engage you to black magic. For some of these people, guys, they are wishing your downfall, that you meet an accident in your car, that you are going to experience an illness, and now they are the one who is experiencing this. That's why they wants to communicate with you, because their karma hits them hard. An air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or a fellow Scorpio is involved here. Whoever you are, shame on you. Go and heal yourself. I will send back the negative energy which you sent to my collectives and me. In the name of the Divine Most High. Amen. Why the Sun in this reading? So hateful. This is facts. I told you. You outsmart your enemy. Yeah, look, they thought that you are stupid. They thought that you are an idiot, but you are the fox. The fox is a clever and intelligent person. They thought that their fraudulent will continue, will goes on and on. But no, you already awakened. There is an illumination here. An awakening, the judgment. This is over. Whoever you are, dream, father, and continue your illusion. But Scorpio will not mix with your plan. Because there's an illumination here. They thought that everything can be hidden in the dark. Oh my gosh, a Leo is involved here. There's a child involved here as well. What the Two of Cups here, please? What the Two of Cups in this reading? It is clarified as the snake. Oh my gosh, this is a snake. Could be a couple. Oh my gosh. Or this person pretending that they loves you, but the truth is not. You look. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Whoever you are, get lost. Go back to heal. I command the negative energy to go back, to return to sender in the name of the Divine Most High. Amen. You look. Be very mindful of a snake. Could also be a couple. They are pretending, Scorpio, I am your soulmate, but the truth are not. The only ones to devour you too. You look, they are lurking in order for them to trap you. But they are a snake. Oh my God, Jesus Christ. Clarify me, Father. Why the, Oh my gosh, why the hangman in this reading? Let's clarify as the fish. This person viewed you as their lucky charm. This person viewed you that you are good in entrepreneurship. Could be a Pisces. But they are sacrificing in silence. Could also be because of the relationship. I don't know what this is all about. But this is over. I told you. The judgment is over. That ends your readings for today, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And I hope you enjoy your reading. And if it is resonates to you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you for joining me here once again. Until the next time, I love you all. Bye.